What's up, YouTube? Not technically supposed to be riding at all yet, but my leg was feeling kind of good and I could walk on it, and my mom and girlfriend would kill me if they knew I was about to try to ride. But I'm only gonna go down to get gas, which is like right down the street, and have that be the end of it. So that's, forgot the oil pan was under there. My bad. So that's what we're gonna try to do real quick. I've been dying to get on this bike, so I haven't been able to do it lately. Oop, hold up. Go back up. Forgot my keys. Oh, shit. Alright. I'm gonna try this real quick. It's just down the road. See how it feels. I don't want to apply all the pressure on it yet. Bike hasn't been started in a while, so it's gonna struggle. I can push down fine on the back for the gear. Haven't tried shifting up yet though. Kind of nervous, kind of not, because really it's supposed to be about another week and a half before I can technically ride. So we're gonna take it a wee bit slow. Who knows? The only concern is like tucking my foot and going under the gear, because I haven't done it in a while. And I can feel like it doesn't hurt as bad as when I first broke it, but like I can feel it underneath. I can feel it tweak a little bit when I try to shift up. But we'll just see. See how it feels. Kinda nervous. And I can't fucking see because you just went in front of me, asshole. Not really trying to race anyone or hurry through. I can definitely feel it. Kind of hurts, but not really. I wrapped it up to see if that would help a little bit. It kind of does, but I can still feel it. I have to like force my foot underneath it. I don't really feel it tweaking that much. Definitely hurts a little bit. Definitely trying to stay off my left leg when I come to a light, putting all my weight on my right leg. The bike smells a little weird because I haven't ran it in a while. See if I can get it in neutral. Nope. There we go. Ooh. Definitely hurts a little bit. Not too much. I really don't know how this mic's doing with this exhaust. I know I tried it out when I was sitting in the garage waiting, doing a little vlog for you guys, but we're definitely gonna see how it sounds with this. Exhaust is so loud though that so many people look at me like I'm ridiculous, but the majority of the time they look at my backpack, because my backpack causes a lot of attention, because it's the Bowser shell from Mario. It's where a lot of my buddies call me Bowser. That's why I came up with my name, Bowser X Stunts. I would be busting out wheelies and shit for you guys right now, but I'd probably die. The leg isn't done yet. These hobos are all over the place over here, especially by this gas station. It's weird. Very, very weird. And that car is going to take my spot. So we'll go right here. She parked so far away from the pump. Typical old people. Yeah, my girlfriend and mom would definitely kill me right now if I was on my bike. Try to get home as quick as possible. Definitely feels really nice being back on the bike though, for sure. I've been dying, like I've been going crazy in my room. Been doing nothing but playing frickin' Battlefield and Grand Theft Auto. And I've just been stuck there with my leg propped up, doing nothing. And it's been so nice out here in Florida that I've been missing all the group rides and everything with everyone. So I was like, I'm gonna try it, make a quick little gas run and see how good the leg does. So we shall see. Yeah, this one and my Ninja 2 are both really low on gas. Bowser eats up gas like a frickin' fat girl on a Friday night buffet. Only $5. It's not bad. No, I don't want a receipt. Bowser's been wanting to scream a lot lately for not riding him, but can't help it. It's so hard to try to balance my weight so I don't put it down on my left, because I haven't been using it at all lately. I have to shift my body to even get under the shifter. I can see so many heads turn when I rev my engine. It's hilarious. The old guy in front of me, I can already tell he's just pissed off that I'm even behind him. Tell you what though, it feels so fucking good to be back on the bike. And I can't wait till my leg's 100%. So I can just start riding again like I used to. really want to go for a ride right now, but I don't want to stress out my leg too much because it's not done healing. Too, because I can't drift right now. I really want to drift because I got such good brakes and my setup is so nice to be able to drift very easily on this bike, and I can't do that because sometimes you gotta put one either your left or right foot down, and that's pretty much what happens, but who knows. Alright guys, so definitely when my leg is back to 100%, I'll be uploading a bunch more videos. So I want to do this quick little one for you guys so the channel doesn't go without any videos being uploaded or anything. So definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be seeing you guys soon.